So you think you've got what it takes to handle the mightiest of beasts in the woodworking world? Well, get ready to meet your match with the best table saws on the market. These bad boys are not for the faint of heart. They're for the fearless craftsmen and women who aren't afraid to tackle big projects with precision and power. So grab your safety goggles and strap in, because we're about to dive into the world of table saws like never before. Are you ready to unleash your inner woodworking warrior? Let's do this. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now let's jump into the listicle. Number 5. WORX 4-inch BladeRunner Portable Tabletop Saw. The WORX 4-inch BladeRunner Portable Tabletop Saw is the perfect solution if you need a versatile tool for crafting and intricate projects. With its lightweight design and compact table size, you can easily transport and store this saw wherever you need it. The ability to use 4-inch T-shank jigsaw blades makes it a unique and handy tool for cutting wood, ceramic, steel, and aluminum. One of the standout features of this tabletop saw is its ability to cut intricate curves and designs, making it ideal for crafters and hobbyists. The included 5 jigsaw blades allow for a variety of cutting tasks, and the miter gauge enables accurate crosscuts and miters. While it may not be suitable for large rip cuts, this saw excels at delicate and precise work. The WORX saw may not be the best choice for heavy-duty projects like building cabinets or flooring, but its versatility makes it the ideal table saw for crafts. The lack of bevel cuts or dado blades may limit its functionality for some users, but its unique capabilities more than make up for these limitations. In conclusion, the WORX 4-inch BladeRunner Portable Tabletop Saw is a must-have for crafters and DIY enthusiasts who need a versatile and portable tool for delicate projects. Give your woodworking skills a boost with this innovative tabletop saw. Check out the WORX 4-inch BladeRunner Portable Tabletop Saw for yourself and see the difference it can make in your crafting projects. Number 4. DOVAMAN DTS-01, a table saw. If you're in the market for a reliable table saw, the DOVAMAN DTS-01A is a top contender. With a powerful 15-amp motor and a maximum speed of 4,800 revolutions per minute, this 10-inch table saw can effortlessly tackle various hardwoods, making your cutting projects a breeze. One of the standout features of this table saw is its expandable work surface. With tabletops that can be extended on both sides, you can increase the wood placement area from 21.5 inches to an impressive 36.2 inches. This means you can handle larger wood pieces more securely, improving your cutting experience significantly. Achieving precise cutting with the DOVAMAN DTS-01A is easy thanks to its cutting depth and angle adjustment capabilities. With a vertical cutting depth of up to 73 mm and a bevel cutting depth of 52 mm, you can make accurate cuts every time. The specially designed guide rail system ensures you can customize your cuts to meet your specific needs. Safety is a top priority with this table saw. The transparent saw blade guard allows you to monitor the blade's operation and prevent accidental contact, while the inclusion of a push rod keeps your hands safe during cutting. The metal bracket also enhances stability, ensuring a secure work environment. Overall, the DOVAMAN DTS-01A table saw is a solid choice for woodworkers looking for a reliable and efficient cutting tool. Its powerful motor, expandable work surface, precise cutting capabilities, and safety features make it a standout in its class. Don't miss out on checking this product out further. Still searching for the perfect table saw? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. BOSCH GTS 1510 Jobsite Table Saw. When you need a reliable and portable table saw for your job site, the BOSCH GTS 1510 is a top contender. With a powerful 15-amp motor and 3,800 revolutions per minute speed, you can easily tackle both rip cutting and cross-cutting tasks with precision. The convenience brake on this saw is a game changer, allowing the blade to stop in just 3 seconds. This feature not only increases productivity, but also ensures safety in the workplace. One of the standout features of the GTS 1510 is its unique clamp zone areas, which allow you to utilize the tabletop as a secondary work surface when needed. This versatility is a huge plus for those working on intricate projects. The Smart Guard system on this table saw provides excellent protection while still allowing for a clear view of your cut. The riving knife and anti-kickback pawls offer peace of mind while operating the saw. The portability of the GTS 1510 is unmatched, thanks to the included gravity rise wheeled stand. Moving your saw around the job site is a breeze with the foot release pedal and treaded rubber composite tires. If there is one downside to this otherwise impressive table saw, it would be the price point. However, when you consider the high-quality construction, powerful motor, and ease of use, the investment is well worth it. For a reliable, powerful, and portable table saw that can handle any job site task with ease, check out the BOSCH GTS 1510. Number 2. SKIL TS 630700 Table Saw. If you're in the market for a reliable table saw that won't break the bank, the SKIL table saw is a solid option for your woodworking projects. The integrated stand with foldable legs makes it easy to store when not in use. The 10-inch blade cuts through wood quickly and efficiently, allowing you to tackle both hard and soft materials with ease. The 25-inch by 24-inch table provides ample space for rip-cutting boards, up to 25.5 inches to the right of the blade and 14 inches to the left. The rack and pinion fence rails glide smoothly for extended cuts. With a 15-amp motor and a top speed of 4,600 revolutions per minute, this saw handles 4x4S effortlessly. The bevel adjusts between -2 and 45 degrees, and with the appropriate dado blade and throat assembly, you can even do dado cuts. While the included plastic miter gauge may not be the sturdiest, it still gets the job done for most tasks. You'll love the DIY-friendly design and additional features that enhance your woodworking experience with the SKIL table saw. It may not be the best option for professional workshops, but for DIY enthusiasts who enjoy various projects, this saw is a great choice. If you're in the market for a versatile and affordable table saw that can handle a variety of tasks, the SKIL table saw is definitely worth checking out. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. DEWALT DWE 7491 RS Jobsite Table Saw. If you're in the market for a top-notch table saw, you'll want to check out the DEWALT Jobsite Table Saw. This saw truly stands out with its ability to effortlessly slice through various materials, making it perfect for all your DIY projects. The 15-amp motor and 10-inch blade allow for smooth and efficient cuts, while the 32.5-inch rip capacity is the largest on the market. The fence system, complete with a rack and pinion mechanism, ensures precise and accurate cuts every time. One of the standout features of this saw is its folding legs, making it incredibly easy to transport and store when not in use. The sturdy wheeled stand adds to its convenience, giving you the flexibility to work wherever you need to. What truly sets the DEWALT apart is its user-friendly design and precise measurements. The easy-to-adjust fence system allows you to work more efficiently without the need for constant measuring. While adjusting the bevel lock lever can be a bit tricky at times, this minor inconvenience is easily overshadowed by the exceptional performance and reliability of this table saw. In conclusion, if you're looking for a sturdy, accurate, and efficient table saw to upgrade your tool collection, the DEWALT is the perfect choice. Don't miss out on the opportunity to take your DIY projects to the next level with this exceptional tool. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best table saws. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which table saw you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.